guys, welcome to testing video. In last video we have seen that how to handle dropdowns in the Selenium using the select class. Okay, and we were having the options like select by visible text, select by select by value, select by index. So by using that you can handle the dropdowns. So now in today's video we can see that how to get the list of all the options inside the dropdown. So let's get started. So this is our dropdown and this is the list of our dropdown. We have to identify that the count of the dropdown and the list of all the options. Then so here we have created the object of the select class. Now if you want to get the count of the option, create one reference variable, get the reference of the select class, and then using dot options. Dot options. Now you want to get the count of that options. So we have the len function. Using the len function, you can get the count of the options. Now just print that. Print count of the options. Okay. So to identify it in a feasible way, we can just get that count of the options inside the curly braces and use it. We will get the count of the options. Okay. Now you will get the count of the options. Just use. Now we have to get the list of all the options. For that we have to iterate through all the options and get the text of that options. So for that we can use the for loop. For options in, now you have to get the options from this method select.options. Select.options. Then get the text of that options. Dot text. You will get the text of that options. Now if you want to select the particular drop down and identify whether it is there or not. Okay, so for that we can use the if statement. If options is equals to, I'm giving you the example, like if this option is present, okay, then perform this option. Okay, the drop down is selected. All or else print this. Print drop down is not selected. One is not selected. Oops. I think this will not usable here. Let's try this first and then we will check about the list. Dropdown is not oh, okay, you have this count is 78, and if options is equals to Android, then select one individual type. Else dropdown is not selected. I think dropdown is not selected, and that's why this is happening. Okay, let me get first the text of the option. Options.text. Sorry, I haven't printed it. Print options.text. Just run it. Okay, you have got the list of all the options. Let's check why it was not selected. If options okay, let me check. Yeah. Options, if options is equals to Android, and then you have to, by using select, let me try on. I think this solution should work fine now. Yay! We got the list. Only we got the list. I think count. And we got the list. Where is my message? Oh. Visible text. Options. Your text is not selected, and I think I have to use strip method to strip the spaces. Dot text. Yes. Dot text. Dot strip. Let's try it. Yes, Pokemon selected. Android. Yep. See, my mistake is because it is just I iterate through all the options, that's why it is printing after all the drop down, it is printing the message. If you don't want it, you can just skip this else statement. Okay, you can see that count is 78, drop down select is not selected, Adobe is not selected, this is not selected, this is not selected. What was selected then? Not selected. Boss, where is Android? Oh, this is very confusing. Let me try for Android. Yes, you can see that Android is selected, and here we go. If you don't want this, you can just skip it. I think I have to skip this maybe. Or you can use the break statement as well after the loop. Then it will break once condition is satisfied. It will break the loop. Yeah, I should get the message for select. Drop down. Android is selected, and you got the list of all the options. Because I have used this print statement option.text, that's why it is giving me the options after every loop. Loop is just continuing once the condition is satisfied. But you can use the break statement here, and after that use else dropdown is not selected. Down is not selected. Let's try it. I think yes, we got what we want, whatever we want. See, you can see that it will loop through all the options. So our option was not the Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop, Analytics. Our option was Android, and it was selected, and break the loop and just close the loop. So we got this option that Android is dropdown is selected. So thanks for watching, and let's connect to the next video. Thank you, stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.